How to fix Roshade not working Roblox shaders. Hi guys, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. So start by opening up a web browser, and here you want to search for download Roshade. Once you're here, you want to click on this website right here, download Roshade shaders for Roblox. Now here you can find the free version of this, so click on download. Then from here you want to click on download again. So now after this advertisement, the file is going to be downloaded, so we have to wait for some time. After the file has been downloaded, you want to open up the file where it has been downloaded. Now double click on this file to open it. And now from here you want to install this app. Click on next, then install. Now it's getting installed, so we just have to wait for some time. So once it has been installed, here you can see this file is here. You want to right click on Roblox player, then select properties. Now from here you want to head over to compatibility. Now you want to tick mark the disable full screen optimization option, click on apply and then OK. Once you do that, your Roshade not working issue should be fixed, and this is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.